Hello. Hello.
No, not a talking video, a live video.
A live video. What are you doing, Ellie? What are you doing?
Making cheese scones.
Cheese scones. What have you got in your bowl?
Margarine.
Yes, and?
Flour.
And what do you have to do?
Squeeze it.
Squeeze it and make it into... Mix it, make it.
Into
Dough.
dough.
Yes. We have to... It's called rubbing. We rub the margarine into the flour first, and then we add all the other ingredients. You're doing a great job of mixing, Ellie.
Why?
Because you are. You're very good at squeezing and mixing.
Squeezing and mixing.
Squeezing and mixing.
Is it all falling off my hands?
It is.
Why?
Because that's gravity.
Why is it gravity?
Gravity is the force that pulls things down to earth. Down to the floor.
Down to the floor.
Mhm.
Down to the floor.
Mhm.
Gravity, boots.
Gravity boots.
Gravity, boots. Mummy.
Astronauts have gravity boots, don't they?
Gravity, boots.
I'm going to stop filming now.
No.
Oh, we're still mixing. Okay, sorry.
I'm still mixing.
Still mixing. You're doing a great job, Ellie.
Mummy,
Yes?
if I'm still mixing,
Yes.
still leave the light on till it runs out of battery.
Okay.
If it runs out of batteries, that could be ages.
Yes. And then when it's run out of batteries, turn it on.
Okay.